What is penile diffuse atrophy? Penile diffuse atrophy refers to the shrinkage or reduction in size and function of penile tissues due to prolonged inactivity or lack of use. This condition can affect the muscles, blood vessels, and tissues of the penis, leading to changes in size, strength, and overall health. Penile diffuse atrophy causes. Penile diffuse atrophy can occur due to several factors, including 1. Lack of regular erections. Erections increase blood flow and oxygen to the penile tissues, maintaining their health. A prolonged absence of erections may cause tissue atrophy. 2. Hormonal imbalance. Low levels of testosterone can lead to decreased penile function and tissue health. 3. Nerve damage. Conditions such as spinal cord injury or nerve damage due to surgery, example a prostatectomy, can limit erectile function. 4. Aging. Natural aging processes can reduce blood flow, elasticity, and function of penile tissues. 5. Chronic illness. Conditions like diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, or prolonged immobility may lead to reduced penile activity. 6. Psychological factors. Psychological factors such as depression, anxiety, and lack of sexual desire can lead to prolonged disuse. Penile diffuse atrophy symptoms. The symptoms of penile diffuse atrophy are as follows: reduction in penile size or girth, weak or infrequent erections, loss of elasticity in penile tissues, decreased sensitivity, difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection. Penile diffuse atrophy diagnosis. To diagnose penile diffuse atrophy, your doctor may go through your medical history and physical examination. Besides, your doctor may recommend you hormonal testing, Doppler ultrasound, and erectile function tests. Penile diffuse atrophy treatment. To treat penile diffuse atrophy, your doctor may recommend you the following treatment options. 1. Lifestyle changes, regular physical exercise to improve blood circulation. Besides, healthy diet enhance overall vascular health. 2. Medications. Your doctor may recommend you phosphodiesterase type 5 PDE5 inhibitors like sildenafil Viagra or tadalafil Cialis to improve erections. Besides, testosterone replacement therapy is also given to treat low testosterone. 3. Vacuum erection devices. These devices stimulate blood flow and promote tissue health. 4. Penile rehabilitation therapy. This is often used after surgeries like prostatectomy to stimulate penile function and prevent atrophy. 5. Psychotherapy. Addressing psychological factors like depression or anxiety that contribute to disuse. 6. Surgical interventions. In severe cases, penile implants or reconstructive surgery may be recommended. Penile diffuse atrophy prevention. To prevent penile diffuse atrophy, you can take the following steps. 1. Maintain an active sexual lifestyle. Regular erections, either sexual or spontaneous, help maintain tissue health. 2. Exercise regularly. Physical activity promotes vascular health. 3. Address medical conditions. Properly manage diabetes, hypertension, and other chronic illnesses. 4. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. These can impair blood flow and penile health. 5. Seek early treatment. Address erectile dysfunction or other contributing factors promptly to prevent progression. This was all about penile diffuse atrophy. If you suspect penile diffuse atrophy or have related symptoms, consult with your doctor immediately for an accurate diagnosis and tailored treatment plan. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.